So hello everyone, welcome to EduTap, and guys, welcome to a very important topic that has recently been seen in PIB, which is very important for your upcoming NABARD grade examination. That is the fourth advanced estimates for major agriculture crops has been released by the Union Minister of Agriculture Affairs on 17th of August. So these are really important for your upcoming NABARD grade examinations, because we have seen in the previous year paper also in the NABARD that they have asked the questions on fourth estimates, third advanced estimates. So because the recently fourth estimate has been released, so there is a high probability that the question will be asked from this specific estimate. Talking about this advanced estimates, guys, I know it is a very data heavy document, but within these 8 MCQs that I will be discussing today, I will try to cover each and every important data that is relevant for your examination will be covered in this specific lecture. So without wasting any time, guys, let's start with the first question of the day. The first question is, as per this fourth advanced estimates, what is the production of food grains for the year 2021-22? The answer here is, that is option number 3, 315.72 million tons. Now the next question that could be formed is whether there is an increase here. So yes, the next question is, what is the increase in production in food grains from the previous year, that is 2020-21, as per the fourth advanced estimates? It is approximately 5 million tons. If I tell you about the exact figure, it will be 4.98 million tons. Okay, and if I talk about on the 5-year average, so on a 5-year average, it has increased by around, food grain production has increased by about 25 million tons. So this is important for us. Now remember one thing, total production is 315.72 million tons. Increase from the previous year is 4.98 million tons, but increase from an average of 5 years, that is from the past 5 years average, it has increased by 25 million tons. Now, the next question is on the food grain production. If I talk about, what is the total production of rice as per this fourth advanced estimates? So guys, total production of rice is, that is option number 1, 130.29 million tons. If I tell you about the data that has been released on the rice production, it says that total production is estimated to be around 130.29 million tons. Okay, it is higher, that is on a last 5 years average, it is saying it is increasing by around 13.85 million tons. ठीक है, so last 5 year की average production कितनी थी for rice is 116.44 million tons. Then guys, the next question is on the wheat production. So wheat production has increased by how much million tons in the last 5 years average, which was 103.88 million tons. So approximately, guys, it has seen an increase of, that is option number 2, around 3 million tons. Now remember one thing here, if you look at the options here, 2 you can easily eliminate. देखो 10 million ton बहुत ज्यादा हो जाता है, 10 million tons approximately it is really high. ठीक है, so 10 or 7 you can omit that thing. ठीक है, because अगर फूड ग्रेन प्रोडक्शन ही approximately 5 million ton बढ़ा है, तो wheat production इतना ज्यादा तो नहीं बढ़ा होगा. तो this is how you could relate it here also. ठीक है जी, and if I talk about exactly, it was 2.96 million ton, that is the production has increased on an average 2.96 million tons in the last 5 years. And if I talk about the production of wheat stands at 106.84 million tons. I know guys, these are data heavy things, but this point of time pe you have to cram this data. This is one thing I can say to you, you have to cram this specific data. Approximation, you should have an idea. That's why I am telling to you this thing. That is, what is the approximation? 3 million tons, 4.98. These are the important things that needs to be worked on. The next question is on the nutri and core cereals. So as per the fourth advanced estimates, what is the production? What is the estimate production for nutri and core cereals? Okay, so it was around 50.7 million tons in third advanced estimates. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा बढ़ा है. It has increased to now 50.9 million tons. Okay, so this is how you can create an idea here also, because if you have gone through the data of third advanced estimates, तो वहीं से आप थोड़ा सा relation लगा सकते हो कि it has not, that is the crops has seen an increase here. तो basic idea होना चाहिए that yes, it has increased, and if you have an idea of third advanced estimates, you can make a guess here, that is 50.9 million tons. So as per the fourth advanced estimate, the production of Nutri-Core cereals is at 50.9 million tons, which has seen an increase of 4.32 million tons in a 5 years average, which was around 46.57 million tons, guys. Then guys, the next is, what is the estimate total production of pulses? Now remember, for pulses we have discussed a lot of time when we have discussed the agri statistics data, जब मैंने आपके साथ discuss किया था in my report session with you. ठीक है, कि pulses में we are at number 1. ठीक है जी. Then The important thing here is, as per the fourth advanced estimates, what is the total production of pulses? Okay, so this is something that you can relate it here is, remember this thing, because when you are revising this specific data na, यहाँ पे आपको you will be confused between three specific things. One will be agri statistics at glance. Second will be your data on horticulture crops. But in horticulture crops, guys, one thing is important is it will not be talking about pulses or something like that. Okay? Then there is a confusion between, here the majority of confusion will be between the fourth advanced estimates and the agri statistics. So remember, agri statistics is basically the statistical data that is being released by the government, जहाँ पे आपको याद रखना है rank of India, first, second, third. That is something very, very important in agri statistics. And the total production data that you should remember, you should focus, should be of the fourth advanced estimate. So coming back to the question, the total production of pulses as per the fourth advanced estimate is, that is option number 2, 27.69 million tons. Okay? So total production is estimated at 27.69 million tons, and it is higher by, that is average 5-year average. If I talk about here, it is it is increased by 3.87 million tons, which was around 23.82 million tons. Okay, so basic thing that you should remember here is, in each and every production crop that I've discussed with you is, you should be thorough about the estimated data, as well as you should also be able to understand that what is the last year average there. This is the important thing for you. Then guys, the next question is, as per this estimate, what is the production of, as per this, what is the oilseed production has increased by how much million ton in this year? This is the important thing. From 2020 to 21, what is the increase in oilseed production? The data that was shared by the minister. So here guys, if I talk about, it has seen an increase of 1.75 million ton from the previous year, that is 2020-2021. So if I talk about the overall data about oilseeds production, guys, total oilseeds production is estimated at 37.7 million tons, which has seen an increase of 1.75 million ton from the previous year. And if I talk about the production of oilseed average, so average for 5 years, it has seen an increase of 5.01 million tons. So now guys, coming to question number 8. So according to the fourth advanced estimates, the question I'm asking you is now on the sugarcane crop. So the production of sugarcane has increased by how much million tons in an average? When I talk about the average sugarcane production of 5 years, that is 373.46 million tons. So tell me, that is what should be the answer here. Okay, ji. So now guys, we have revised each and everything. Okay, so sugarcane crops, we have discussed one thing in the sugarcane is, what is the rank of India in sugarcane? We know, as per the agri statistics, India has been ranked at second place in the sugarcane production. Okay, ji. So coming here, the answer here is, that is option number 1, around 58 million tons. So if I talk about the exact figure is 58.35 million tons, that an increase has been seen. Okay, so it is estimated at 431.81 million tons. Okay, ji. And 5-year average is around 373.46 million tons. So guys, this was all about your fourth advanced estimates that has recently been released. I have tried to cover each and every important information that was being shared in PIB by the minister. Okay, and these are the important crops that needs to be covered. So guys, if you have liked the video, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then to get the access of the PDF, kindly subscribe to our Telegram channel, the link for which is given in the description below. Now guys, a very important announcement for all of you. So we are running a flat 40% off plus an additional 10% off on all the courses of RBI, SEBI and NABARD, that is the gold, silver and combo courses. So you could avail this discount, that is you can avail the discount by using the code EduTap, that is valid from 18th of August till 20th of August. Now guys, another important sale is here, that is for the APFC students. So we are running a flat 50% off on our APFC courses, that is APFC Master Course, APFC Test Series Plus, or the APFC Test Series. For that, the code will be APFC, and you can avail that thing with the same dates, that is from 18th of August to 20th of August. So guys, this was all from my side. If you still have any kind of query, you could drop me an email at hello@edutap.co.in. You could even place us a call at this number, that is 81462 07241. I hope guys the lecture is fruitful for you. So in a quick summarized manner, we have covered the fourth advanced estimates for you. Okay guys, wishing you all the best for the examinations. Bye bye.